Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Ever wondered who can actually see your private posts and pages in WordPress? When you set a post or page to private, your content will be hidden from the public. However, that doesn't mean no one can see it. These contents can be accessed by users who have been granted permission to do so by the site owner. Usually, administrators and editors. They can see your private posts and pages right from the dashboard and on the front end if logged in. What about the other users? Anyone without permission will get a 404 page not found error when trying to access private content. But why make your posts and pages private? Maybe you want to create a page that contains sensitive information that should only be viewed by certain people. Or you might be working on a blog post that isn't ready for the public yet, but you still want to get feedback from a select group of people. If so, here are the simple ways to create private posts and pages. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Posts or Pages. Click Add New. Once done creating your content, click the Publish button at the top right, and then you will find the Visibility section. If you click the drop-down menu, here you can control how this post is viewed. Select Private and click Publish. If you want to edit your post or page, go back to your dashboard and select Posts or Pages. Choose your content, then click Quick Edit. Here you can simply check the box to set as private. Now your post or page will only be visible to users who have the right permissions. But what if you just want to keep certain content on your WordPress site private? Publishing a password-protected post is an easy way to ensure that only specific individuals can access it. To do so, navigate to the post you want to protect. This is where you'll set up your password protection. Click on Edit. Here, in the Post Editor, locate the settings. Then, under the Post section, change this status and choose Password Protected. Enter a password of your choice in the field provided. Make sure it's something memorable for your intended audience, but not too easy to guess. Once done, click the Save button. Your content is now protected. Let's try to visit the post on your website. As you can see, you will be prompted to enter the password before you can view the content. And that's it! Creating private posts and pages in WordPress is an easy way to keep sensitive information hidden. For even more control, adding password protection lets you restrict access to specific individuals, giving you complete security and peace of mind. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.